Hi everyone, welcome back. As some of you may know, I just spent the last few days in New York City and it's now Sunday night and I just got home. I'm pretty tired after the flight and everything, but I wanted to film a video to share with you guys what I got in New York City because I did quite a bit of shopping, so I thought it would be fun to share with you guys what I got. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to start with the items I got from Henri Bendel. As you probably already know, Henri Bendel is closing in January, so I wanted to get a few things since it will be the last time that I am able to visit that store before it closes. So I love Henri Bendel's candles. Unfortunately, most of them were sold out by the time I got there, but I did get this one called Sparkle, and it looks just like their candles always look, and it smells, I don't know what it smells like, but it smells good. I don't really know how to explain it, and Sparkle really doesn't tell you anything, so I wasn't sure if I would like it, but I bought it because I just love their candles, and I thought I would give it a try. So it does smell really nice, which is good. And everything in the store was 40, 50, or 60% off. So this, I believe, was 40% off, which was awesome. I got a few pieces of jewelry. So I got these hoop earrings, and I don't know if that's gonna pick up, but these are really sparkly and cute hoops, and they go with the other two items that I got, which are this bracelet, and I was having trouble deciding between this bracelet and this bracelet, and so I ended up purchasing this bracelet with the earrings, and then my sister, who I went on the trip with, she ended up buying me this, which was so nice of her. So I love both of them, and they go really nicely with the earrings. So those are the jewelry items that I purchased from Bendel's. And I also got this little pouch, and I had my initials hot stamped. They do free hot stamping there, so I thought this was really cute, and it's, you know, my kind of color, and it's sparkly and pretty. So and these were, I can't remember if they were 50 or 60% off, but I think the jewelry was 60% off and these were 50. I can't remember, I'd have to look at the receipt, but it was great prices on everything. And then I got this little pouch on chain type of thing. So it's got this removable chain that's kind of like a gunmetal hardware, and it's the same color as the little pouch, and I again got my initials hot stamped on it. It has like a little magnetic compartment here, and then opens with some card slots and zipped pouch here. So I just thought that was a really cute piece and very me. So I was glad to get all of those items from Henri Bendel's because I'm sad that they're closing. It's really kind of a New York staple, a store I've visited for years every time I go to New York, and I'm sorry to see it close. All right, next I will show you the clothing items I got. So I got a few sweaters. So this one is from the brand Millie. And it's just this really pretty kind of cozy sweater, and it has, I don't know if that's gonna pick up on the camera, it has some really pretty colors in it and some sparkle to it. So that is one. I also got another Millie sweater, and these were both from Saks Fifth Avenue. And this one This one I got in a medium because it's a little bit cropped and I didn't want it too short, and it's got like the balloon sleeves, and again, really pretty colors. And actually the jewelry I got looks really nice with this, all of the sweaters that I bought actually. So that's that one. And then we went to Soho one day and visited one of my favorite stores, which is Joie. I'll show you where is it here? There we go. Joie is one of my favorite clothing brands, and I bought this beautiful sweater there, which again looks really nice with this jewelry. And it's just got such pretty colors and it feels really nice, and it's just super cozy. I live in sweaters and jeans in the fall and winter here, so that's mainly what I was looking for, was nice sweaters. And the last one is also from Joie, and this one was actually a really good deal. It was on sale. It was reduced from $278 to $111.20, and then it was an additional 40% off that. So this one again has some sparkle to it, and it's got this detail at the bottom here. And yeah, it's just really soft and cozy. So those are the clothing items. At Joie, I also picked up a pair of sneakers. I couldn't bring the shoe boxes for the shoes I bought home. That I just didn't have room in my suitcase, so I just put them in their dust bags. But I bought these sneakers. They're really cute on. They're like this blush suede, and they have the pearl detail, which I thought was really cute. And they've got like a bit of a platform, which is nice because it gives me a bit of height because I'm short. So that is that for the Joie stuff. All right, now on to the luxury items. The stuff you're probably waiting to see. So the first item is from Louis Vuitton, and I got this cute Christmas wrapping. So I got a perfume sample, that one, which I've actually sampled in store and I like, so I'm glad I got sample. All right, so I'll show you the tag after. So I picked up the round coin purse, just the classic one, which is often sold out here at home, so I thought I'd check and see if it was available, and it was. And this one is made in France, which is nice. And here's the tag information. So yeah, I was happy to find that little piece, which I've wanted for a while. The next item, again from Louis Vuitton, and it came in this box, in this dust bag, and it is the Toiletries 19. So this is another just kind of classic item that is hard to find at home, so I picked it up because they had it in stock at the store on Bloor. Sorry, not Bloor. Thinking of the store in Toronto. Fifth Avenue, that's what I'm trying to say. Sorry, I'm tired. So I have the 15, and this is the 19, which I am excited to have. Anyway, you guys have seen this before, so I won't go into detail about it, but just another classic piece that I have been looking for. All right, next is a pair of boots from Chanel. So this was one of my big purchases in New York, and I'm super excited about them. So I got, excuse me, I got these boots. I cannot remember the name, and I actually couldn't bring the box. the box was quite big and my suitcase was pretty full. So I did take a picture of the information on the box. So if you need the information for these boots, you can let me know. But they are so cute. And I'd admired them online before, and when I saw them in store, I just loved them, and I thought the white is so different from anything I have. Yeah, I love them. I love how it has all the kind of quintessential Chanel features. So it's got the chain detail around the perimeter of the boot. It's got the pearls. It's got the quilting. It's got the CCs. And the CC's on the toe. It's just, I just love them so much. I did size up. This is a 38.5 and I'm usually a 38, so they do run a little bit small. But yeah, I've already worn them. I wore them in New York because I was just so excited to have them. Yeah, so those are one of my big purchases. And then my other big purchase came in this bag complete with the Christmas camellia, which I'm excited to have because I didn't have one yet, and the Christmas ribbon. So I did keep that bag. And came in this box. Again with the Christmas camellia and the Chanel box. I think a lot of you, if you know me or watch my channel or follow me on Instagram, you probably won't be surprised by this purchase. So there's the tag. I'll cover that up and I'll show you after. So it came in this dust bag, and this is not a true unboxing because I did use this too already once in New York because I was so excited about it. To reveal a Tiffany blue mini rectangular. And yes, I do have the Tiffany blue medium large in the caviar and light gold hardware, but this is the Tiffany blue lambskin in silver hardware in the rectangular mini. So I'm justifying this because number one, I love Tiffany blue, I love turquoise, I love those kinds of colors so much. I'm obsessed. You guys probably know that if you know me. Also because it's different leather, it's different hardware, it's a different size, it's crossbody. So anyway, I went in looking for this and didn't expect to find one, and it turns out that they still had them. So I was like, I can't leave without this bag. It's just too beautiful. There's already something on it there, but yeah, I just am so happy to have it. And I know I'm going to use both of them. So yeah, I know that I had said I might sell my 17C turquoise mini to get this one, but you know what, I'm going to keep them both because they're two different colors and I love them both so much. So anyway, so that is my bag purchase from New York City, which I'm so excited about. I'm not gonna open it all up. I'll do another video just on this bag. But it is a 27 series and it is made in France, which I'm happy about. And I'll just show you the information. So that is the tag. I did get it at Bloomingdale's. And yeah, so I'll show you, it's a 27 series and there's the code. So yeah, that is my New York City shopping haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had such a great time. I love New York City so much. I had a great time with my sister. It's kind of a tradition for us to go at this time of year together, just the two of us, so it was really fun. And yeah, I hope everyone has a really happy new year tomorrow, and thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much and have a great day.